Hey guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we take a look at the Pixel 6a and how to turn off gesture navigation. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and just a heads up, I am filming on the Pixel 5a, by the way, so pretty cool because I'm doing a video on the Pixel 6a, so it's like I'm paying it forward. But anywho guys, just a quick video on how to enable or disable gesture navigation. So if you guys are not familiar with gesture navigation on the Pixel is basically a how do you say, it's when you are able to swipe up on the bottom from the screen, and you can actually turn that and turn it on and turn it off. So if I turn it on to get home, I can just literally do this, or if I want to again bring up recent apps, I just have to hold it down and swipe up. And again, there's little things you can do, like if I get on Twitter, for instance, like let's say that I click on somebody's post over here. Let's go to Latrell Jennings post Twitter over here for whatever reason. So like let's say I'm scrolling through his page and I decide, hey, I want to go back to the prior page. Instead of pressing that back button up there, you just swipe to the right and it'll take you back. Now of course, if I want to go home, again, you can either swipe up. In this case, that one I swiped to the left and it took me home. So and again, for some people this is not an issue because a lot of iPhone users, I deal with this every day. iPhone transitioned to that a while back, and it's been a staple for iPhones. Now for Android users, that might not be the case. If you're coming from an Android phone that maybe doesn't have this feature and you don't like it, then you can always turn it off. So to do that, you have to go to your settings. So let me go back here really quick. You're going to go to your settings, right, all the way from top, and then from here you're going to go to accessibility. So accessibility, and then again from there you're going to scroll all the way down until you hit system controls. Okay, you hit system controls, and there's a few other things that you can enable and disable, like power button ends call, right? I used to have that on back in the day. Auto rotate screen on face based, and then one-handed mode, again, you can turn that on and off. But again, system navigation right there is where you want to hit. And again, you have the one button or the gesture navigation, which again a lot of people are used to already. But if you guys want to go back to the old school style, go ahead and hit that 3 button, and you'll see those little 3 dots pop up on the bottom. So that home button takes you home, right? And again, that square button, which everyone is so familiar with, again, it shows you your most recent apps. And again, you can just go back and forth. You know, I have Instagram, I have a CPU monitor on, I have YouTube up, and then of course Twitter, and of course this app. And again, you just go back, and of course if I wanted to go back, press the back button and it just takes you back. So, and again, if I want to go home. So, you know, I just wanted to make this quick video because I guess a lot of people, you know, who are wondering where that feature went. Again, I'm running Android 12 on this Pixel 6a, and soon to be Android 13 once it's fully released, once the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro decide to come out, and we'll be seeing that soon. But in the meantime, Android 12, you know, again, if you guys don't like that, and I know it's hard to see, right, because my background is kind of crazy. Let's see if I can change the background. Let's see, can I change it? I like that background, but I think it's a little there we go, it's kind of Naruto-ish. There we go, you can see it a lot better now. And again, I'm not a fan of these new backgrounds that the Pixel has sent out with their stuff, but I guess, you know, to make it more visually appealing for you guys, I went ahead and changed the background. But again, you can see those 3 button navigations down there, and again, super simple to use. It's pretty much the same thing that it always was. And again, this takes me back to, you know, my Nexus days when I was having to use this as well, right? And it's just something that I've always really enjoyed using with Android, guys. So and again, I switch back and forth from time to time, you know, since I work with other Android phones that really don't have gesture navigation. But for the most part, this is just a quick tutorial on how to do that, guys. And again, if you guys like the video and find it informing, smash the like button. If you guys like the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time again. Hopefully you guys like the video.